हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अ चैनल। तो गाइस, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मैं आप सबको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करना चाहता हूँ आपके 12th के रिजल्ट के लिए। वी होप आप सबका रिजल्ट काफ़ी अच्छा रहा होगा। गाइस, इस वीडियो में मैं आपके लिए 2 कोर्सेज लेके आया हूँ जो आप अपनी 12th के बाद कर सकते हैं। So guys, as you all know, our channel is all about chartered accountancy. So guys, the first course which we are going to talk about is chartered accountancy. To become a certified chartered accountant, one needs to clear 3 levels designed by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. The ICAI is a statutory body set up by an Act of Parliament. It is a body that maintains and regulates the profession of chartered accountants in India. Also guys, today we have a very special guest with us who is going to talk about one of the most trending courses in India, that is ACCA. So guys, let me introduce you to Muskan Sethi.
Hi guys, my name is Muskan Sethi. I'm an ACCA student currently pursuing ACCA skill level. So for all those of you who don't know what ACCA is about, let me start by giving you a very brief introduction. ACCA, or the Association of Chartered Certified Accountant, is a global professional body offering Chartered Certified Accountant qualification. The course, the body and the qualification, all three of them are known as ACCA, and the course consists of 13 exams in total.
So guys, for more clarity and better understanding, we have shortlisted some points of differences between the two courses. So let's start.
The eligibility criteria for ACCA is that a candidate must complete 10 plus 2 as a minimum qualification with a minimum of 65% required in maths or accountancy and English and 50% in their other subjects.
So guys, if अभी आपने अपनी 12th क्लास क्लियर करी है तो you are eligible to start with the chartered accountancy course right now, and that too irrespective of the grades you score.
So the ACCA structure consists of 3 levels. First one being the knowledge, second one being the applied skills, and third one being the professional level. So on an average, it takes about 2.5 to 3 years to complete all your exams. However, apart from this, you need to have 3 years of experience in a relevant role to become an ACCA member.
So as we discussed earlier, इस कोर्स में 3 levels होते हैं, beginning with the foundation which comprises of 4 examinations, followed by the intermediate जिसमें आपको 8 exams देने होंगे. Then you need to serve as an article for 3 years under a chartered accountancy firm. After the completion of your articleship, you can give your final level examinations which comprises of 8 exams. In short, you can become a certified chartered accountant in 4 to 5 years provided you complete all your examinations in first go.
Qualification is recognized in 181 countries across the globe, few of them being Malaysia, Singapore, Canada, UK, subject to certain country-wise examination requirement. But with every pro comes a con. So in India, an ACCA qualified is not provided with the auditing authority. Auditing authority in India still remains with an Indian seal.
So friends, ICAI ने एक इंडियन चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट की ग्लोबल रिकग्निशन के लिए काफ़ी सारी कंट्री जैसे कि आयरलैंड, साउथ अफ्रीका, कनाडा, ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड ऐसी काफ़ी और कंट्रीज़ के साथ काफ़ी सारे मेमोरेंडम साइन किए हैं। इसका ये मतलब है कि इफ़ एक इंडियन चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट चाहे तो वो वहाँ की एग्जामिनेशन रिक्वायरमेंट्स को फुलफिल करके ईजिली वहाँ पर भी सेटल हो सकता है।
Salary of an ACCA qualified working in India is that of rupees 6 lakhs, and it can reach up to 25 lakhs. However, if you are planning to settle abroad, your maximum package can reach up to 60 to 75 lakhs.
सो एक इंडियन चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट का स्टार्टिंग पैकेज 6 to 7 लाख से लेकर 30 लाख तक जा सकता है, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर नॉलेज एंड योर एक्सपर्टीज इन द फील्ड. बट इफ़ यू प्लान टू सेटल समवेयर अब्रॉड तो आपका पैकेज 75 लाख तक भी जा सकता है. स्टार्टिंग पैकेज 6 to 7 लाख से लेकर 30 लाख तक जा सकता है.
सुनने में तो दोनों कोर्सेज मस्त लग रहे हैं. अगर मैं ये दोनों कोर्सेज करना चाहूँ तो
Hey, if you are going through the same dilemma, let me clear it for you. If you are pursuing ACCA from the knowledge level, you are required to appear for 13 examinations with no exemptions. However, if you are CA intermediate, provided that you have cleared both the groups, you are given an exemption of 5 exams. And if you are CA qualified, then you are given an exemption of 9 exams, and you only have to appear for the professional level. All the information provided in this video has been thoroughly researched, and we have shared the links of the website below in the description box. So guys, we hope you liked this video and found it informative. और आगे क्या बोलना था?
अरे यही कि डोंट फॉरगेट टू गिव दिस वीडियो अ थम्स अप एंड टू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल फॉर मोर अपडेट्स लाइक दिस.
Yes.